Hi guys, today we will write a PHP script to print the Fibonacci series. We will have marquee over the Fibonacci series and we will enter from the HTML, and then with PHP we will print the series over here like this. I have also changed the background and I have inserted an image over there, and I will tell you how to insert it in the video. So keep watching the video. Let us enter another number of terms we want to print. So let us try for 20. Okay, print Fibonacci series, and here it is. So the 20 terms were printed over here. First terms of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1, and the third term is the summation of the previous one. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Like that we printed 20 elements. So first of all, let us start notepad. I will save it as fibo.php. Okay, so let us save this. Save as. We will save the file name as fibo and extension as .php, and by using all types the extension should be declared as .php. I have also an image stored in this folder only, that is pk.jpg, and I will be like setting the background as this image. So first of all, let us write the HTML head title, then we will go to the body part, and then I will write the part of PHP after this. So first of all, let us write the head title, and title would be Fibonacci series. Okay, so title close and head close, and then we will start the body, and we had everything in the center element, so I'm gonna use the center tag. And body background has to be an image, so body style background image equals to the URL. So first of all, let us write this center tag, and then body and style equals to background image equals to URL colon. We have to use colon, so let us go ahead. So style background image colon, and we have to give the URL, but we already had the image over here, that is beside this PHP file only. So I'm gonna just write the name of the image, that is pk.jpg. Okay, and then we have to close this semicolon, then double quotes, and then body tag complete. And in the body I have to get the input, and before that I have to print, that is Fibonacci series by Pritam's code journal. So I will write that in the marquee so that it would move from one side to another on the web page. So h1 and u tag for underlining. So Fibonacci series. Now this would be underlined, and this star just for the decoration. So I'm gonna close the h1 now, and we will write by Pritam Kadam's code journal. So let us write it down. So h1, then I'm gonna write Pritam Kadam's code journal, and then I'll close the h1, and I will also close the underline, that is u tag, and then we will close the marquee also, because this Fibonacci series and by Pritam Kadam's code journal, both of these would be moving on the web page. Then I will have a form with the method post, so that we would get the variables value in the PHP. Okay, and after the form we will close the body, and we will start the PHP after the closing of HTML. So let us write it down. So this would be post, and we will write the enter the number of elements you want to print, and we will get the input by a variable, and then we will make a submit button. And after this form close, let us directly write body close and HTML close, and then we will start writing the PHP. Let me write the structure first of all. We will close the body, close HTML, we will start the PHP after this, and we will close the PHP then. So question mark greater than symbol. Now we have to write in the form. Before that, let us give color to this h1. So style color equals to, let us say, crimson. because with that body background crimson might look good. So style equals to color and crimson. So this will make my Fibonacci series the text color as crimson. Okay, I have to do the same with Pritam Kadam's code journal. So I'm gonna copy paste that part. So both of these text would be colored as crimson now. So now let me just change it to H2 so that it would look smaller than the Fibonacci series. Now in the form, I have to like get input from the user. So before that, I have to give the instruction to the user that how many elements of Fibonacci series we wanna print on the screen. So for that, let us give the instruction like enter number of terms you wanna print, and then I will have input type equals to text or number, whatever you like, and name would be given as number so that we would check it, and then value. In value, I have to use some PHP script because we are gonna like get this value in the PHP. So I have given the name as number only and value equals to. So I will start the PHP by less than question mark. Then this would be equal to the post of the number variable. So dollar underscore post of it, and then inside I will write equals to dollar underscore post, and in the square brackets I will write the number name of it, and then we will close it. So I have to give the double quotes again. Now let us remove the extra spaces over here. Okay, so now I will use br text so that the next stuff would be printed on the new line. So what I have to make is I have to make a submit button after this. So first line, enter number of terms you wanna print. Then on the next line, there would be an text field or a input field where we will enter the number of elements we wanna print. And after that, there would be a submit button on the next line. So input type equals submit, and we will give the name as print and value equals to print Fibonacci series. And this value would be printed on the submit button. So print Fibonacci series would be shown to the user. So series, okay, now double quotes, and then we'll close this. Now we have completely written the form. Now let us go to the PHP script. First of all, if the submit button was clicked, then only we have to proceed ahead. So if is set of dollar post of print, because we have named that submit button as print. So if the print was set, then only we have to proceed ahead. So print, then we will declare a variable that is equals to num, which would be equal to that number variable that the user had given the input to. Means the user's input of number of terms is stored in the variable number, which is now copied to the variable $num, which is to be used in the for loop. So for $i equals to 0 and $i less than num, I plus plus means it would be iterated till less than num, as we have initialized I as 0. If we initialized I equals to 1, then it would have gone to I less than equal to num. So in this I will directly echo. Let us write a function, means echo, and then I will directly give function call over here, and then after this I will give some space dot, and then in double quotes I will give spaces over here like this, so that the number of elements, means the elements of the Fibonacci series would be printed with that much of space. Now I have to like make function definition. So I will use recursion in this function. Means what? I will write if the number was equal to 0, then this would return 0. If it was equal to 1, then this would return 1, and if it was greater than 1, then it should return Fibonacci the function and in the parameters I will give number -1 plus Fibonacci number -2, means the summation of the previous two elements. So let us write it down. So if the number was equal to 0, then return 0. If number was 1, then return 1. Else what we have to do is we have to print the summation of the previous two numbers. So Fibonacci previous would be number -1, and the previous than this one would be number -2. So I'm gonna return the summation of the previous two. This would give me the third element, and by using this I would be getting the next elements till the number of elements the user has entered has finished, because in the for loop I have given I less than num. Okay, so let us run this. So before that, let us check it out, our program. So from HTML we wrote head as Fibonacci series only, then we in the body we got the input, and we wrote the PHP like if the submit button was clicked, then only we have to proceed. So let us check it out on the web page. So I have already started the web server. You have to start if you have not yet, and I have already gone to this index of PHP program where we stored the web program. So we have error at the line number 9. So over here I wrote 0 mistakenly. Now let us check for more errors. So in place of input type equals to number, I have written text, and let us close this if statements bracket also. So because this was is sets bracket, that is $post of print. Okay, now it should not give me an error. So let us run it on the web page now. We just updated the input type equals to text in place of input type equals to number, and okay, so there are no errors now. Fibonacci series and Pritam Kadam's code journal are marked. We entered the number of terms as 5, and we got the output over here only, that is 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. So let us go for 15. So here it is, we got the output over here. We changed the background image with style. Background image equals to the URL and the name of the image. I already stored the image in the same folder as that of program, so I didn't wrote the URL completely. And we can just let us write 20 over here for more elements. Okay, so here is the output. So here was a small PHP script to print the Fibonacci series. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any queries or you want me to make a video on a specific topic or a program, and I will make a video for sure. And if you are new to programming, you can directly go to the playlist section and access the organized playlist on C, Java, Python, PHP or JavaScript. And if you practice with me with the video, then you will become a pro for sure. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.